In this video, I'll teach you one of the easiest ways to make money online, without the need for affiliate marketing, social media followers, or any prior expertise. All you have to do is copy and paste some text. By the end of this video, I'll also show you 3 additional websites where you can earn money. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified when we release new videos on how to make money online. You can get started right away, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google News to make repeated payments, which will take less than 20 minutes. If PayPal is not available in your country or you prefer not to use it, I'll also show you how to choose from a variety of alternative payment options such as bank transfer. So, let's get started. Let's begin with step 1, which is to go to www.google.com. Once you're on the website, move on to step 2 and search for Google News. Once you've found it, go to the first official website, news.google.com. This website provides you with the latest news and articles on various topics from across the world, just like a newspaper. You can find news on politics, business, technology, sports, science, health, entertainment, history, and much more. Now, let's talk about how you can make money from this. On the left-hand side of the website, you will find different categories such as health, technology, science, sports, entertainment, and business. Let's say you choose the health category. You will be presented with the most recent news and articles related to health. Look for an article that you find interesting and appealing. Once you've found an article, open it and begin copying the content. Don't worry, you won't have to write any articles, sell anything, or engage in any marketing activities. Next, move on to step 3 and go to spinbot.com. This website will help you rewrite the article in your own words, making it unique. Paste the article you copied from Google News into the box on Spinbot's website. Then, click the Spin It button to have the article rewritten. You will also need to complete a human puzzle verification by sliding the piece to align it with the puzzle. Now, you can use the rewritten article on 3 different websites to make money. I will provide you with the names of these websites. They will compensate you for your contributions, with some paying you $1 for each word you write. Some articles can have thousands of words, which means you can earn a lot of money. That's all there is to it. As you may have noticed, the context is very similar, but different words are used. Rewriting involves using synonyms and rephrasing the original text in your own words. Once you have rewritten the content, you can sell it on 3 different websites to earn money. Let's start with the first website, eatingwell.com. This website will pay you for the articles you create, so you don't have to spend days working on them. You can easily generate unique and high-quality articles by using Google News and Spinbot. Eatingwell.com pays up to $1 per word, which means that a 500-word article can earn you $500, and it only takes less than 20 minutes to copy and paste the content. Once you have written your article, you need to submit it for payment. To do this, go to the website's contact details section, copy their email address, and send them an email with your article attached. They will review your submission, and if they like it, they will request your payment information. You can also use a form on their website to submit your payment information, which is recommended if you prefer to be paid through PayPal. You can also choose bank transfer or other payment methods. The second website where you can sell your content is sierraclub.org. Sierraclub.org is another website where you can submit articles by following the instructions on their website. Simply send an email to the provided address with your contact information and use "submission" or "content submission" as the subject line. Alternatively, you can fill out the form provided on their website. Unlike eatingwell.com, sierraclub.org is open to articles on science and technology. You can find an article on technology, copy the text, paste it into SpinBot to make it unique, and submit it to sierraclub.org's email address. Lastly, daily.store.org is another website that pays for article submissions. Although they pay less per word than the other two websites, they only require up to 2,000 words and pay approximately 31 cents per word. You can start earning money right away by copying and pasting articles into these websites. While not every article will be accepted, even one accepted article a day can add up to a substantial amount of money. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment with any questions or ideas, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with new videos.